Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer number of productivity tools? Let's cut through the noise and dive into the ultimate showdown. Logseq vs Obsidian. First up, Logseq. Its killer feature, the daily journal. Every day gets its own dedicated page, making it incredibly easy to track your tasks, thoughts, and meeting notes in a chronological order. Just start typing, and Logseq automatically links your content to that specific date. But the real magic lies in its block-level linking. Instead of linking entire pages, you can link individual bullet points or blocks of text. This granular approach allows for a much more interconnected and nuanced knowledge network. Click the link block, bam, you're instantly transported. Now, let's switch gears to Obsidian. This tool thrives on Markdown. Create new notes with ease, and effortlessly link them together using wiki links, those handy double square brackets. Obsidian is a Markdown enthusiast's dream come true, promoting distraction-free writing. And for the visual thinkers, Obsidian's graph view is a game-changer. It visually represents your entire knowledge base, revealing hidden connections and patterns between your notes. Explore your interconnected thoughts like never before. So, which one reigns supreme? Logseq, with its daily journal and block-level linking, excels at structured, task-oriented workflows. Obsidian, with its Markdown focus and powerful graph view, is perfect for freeform exploration and building a visually rich knowledge network. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your individual needs and preferences. Experiment with both, explore their unique features, and discover which one best empowers your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool comparisons.